gold the one asset every Indian trusts. But right now, gold prices are dropping and most people have no idea why. Today, I'm going to break it down for you, simply and clearly. First, let's understand what's actually happening. Just a few weeks ago, in late February 2026, 24 karat gold in India was sitting at 16,288 per gram. Today, it's down to 13,813 per gram. That's a fall of 2,475 per gram in just a few weeks. 22 karat gold, same story, from 15,095 down to 12,821 per gram. And 1 week in March 2026, gold saw its worst weekly fall in 6 years. So, yes, this is not a small dip. Something big is happening. Reason number one, US bond yields are rising. Now, what's a bond actually mean? Think of bonds like a fixed deposit, which gives some guarantee returns. When bond yields go up, investors get better guarantee returns and gold pays you zero returns. So when bonds are giving 5% risk free, why would anyone hold gold? They wouldn't, right? That makes bonds more attractive and gold less attractive. Reason number two, the US dollar is extremely strong. Gold is priced in US dollar worldwide. When the dollar gets stronger, gold becomes more expensive for investors in other countries. In simple terms, for example, $1 gives you X grams of gold. If gold value increases, we will add another dollar to it to balance with gold. That means the value of dollar decreased with gold. Similarly, at present dollar value increased so that gold decreased. Reason number 3, and this one surprises most people, profit taking and forced selling. Remember, in early 2026, the price of gold is increased. If we see, it is almost doubled compared to 2024. It hit above 16,000 per gram. So, big funds and institutions started locking in profits. And here's the painful part. Some of these institutions are selling gold to cover their losses in the stock market. So, both stocks and gold are falling at the same time. That's exactly what's confusing every beginner investor. But wait, isn't gold supposed to be a safe haven? Yes. But here's what most people don't know. Gold's safe haven role depends on the type of crisis. If a crisis pushes central banks to cut rates, gold wins. But if a crisis is inflationary, like right now with oil prices spiking due to Middle East war, central banks raise rates. Higher rates plus strong dollar value hurts gold. In this kind of crisis, money is rushing into cash and US bonds, not gold. Gold is not broken. It's just not in the right phase. Gold is not dead. And smart investors use these moments to their advantage. If this helped you understand gold better, like this video and follow Finance with SG.